Hi friends, I wanted to hop on here really quickly and just share a little bit about the community of supportive people that I'm in with my health journey. And I just feel like this is the perfect time because we're starting a challenge soon, and I'll fill you in on that too. But everyone who's in this group relates to each other. We share each other's wins. We're there for each other when you don't have the motivation to keep going on. There are people who are uplifting and share tips, especially if you're just starting out. Those people who have been on this journey for a while, they are so kind and so giving and so supportive that they are gonna help you. Besides your coach, your coach is there with you, hand holding you all the way, but you have this whole network of humans who love you and who understand exactly what you're doing and what you're going through. So that was one thing that really stood out for me, and I think that's a big part of being successful on this health journey, because you're never feeling alone. You never feel like you're the only one who understands. And if you're the only person in your household who's on this health journey, oh my goodness, there are so many tips from moms, from teachers. If your schedule's crazy, there are people in this group who are part of all different walks of life who will actually just pour right into you. So I am so grateful that I got to gain a whole bunch of friends and people that I feel are going to be part of my life for the rest of my life. So if you're looking for community, and if you're looking for accountability, and if you're looking to change your life but feel alone and like you can't do it on your own, we are all here to help you. So for me, I think my biggest issue was I'm not like a person who joins a bunch of groups. I'm more introverted as a person, but I'm extroverted when I need to be. I think there's something called an extroverted introvert, and I think that's me, because being around a lot of people drains me often. I don't always look forward to social gatherings, but this community opened my eyes to realize people accept you for who you are and literally just meet you where you're at. So sometimes I will be all in on the chats and communicating a bunch. Other times I just don't feel like doing anything, so I won't, and I'll like a post here and there. But I know if I have a problem or if I feel like I need support, there's an entire network of people who will show up for me. So I think that was or is the biggest blessing of the Optavia community and the Revive tribe that I'm in. So if you want to join, perfect time with the amazing sale going on. If you want to know more about that, check out my social media or DM me and I will gladly share all of that with you. It ends May 31st, so be sure to keep that in mind. But what I wanted to actually share today is I didn't do an unboxing that I really wanted to do, because for our previous challenge, let me tell you what the challenge is first. So every month for about a week we do a 7-day challenge, and certain months we'll do a 30-day challenge. And what this means is it's more of like an accountability challenge. You track all your fuelings and your lean and greens or whatever you're eating that day. You track your water, you track your activity if you're in that phase, and you write at the top of the page, which is my favorite, you write your why. Like, why are you on this journey? What are your goals? You really get to keep your eye on the prize, if I can say it like that, when we do these challenges. So I love them. The only thing you have to do at the end of the night is take a photo of your tracker, upload it, or like me, I do it digitally. So I just upload an image to that day's post. And the best thing is every morning when you wake up, there's a message from a mentor, a coach, someone in the group telling you, giving you extra information, giving you encouragement or motivation for the day. So you really do get to tap in to really staying focused on your goal and achieving everything you want to achieve. So if you upload your trackers and participate in this challenge for the duration of the challenge, your name gets put into a drawing, and at the end of the challenge, a person's name gets drawn. So my name got drawn, the last one, and I was just freaking out. Oh my gosh, so excited. So here's the box that came, and I won this awesome Zule milk frother. If you're in Optavia, you need to get a handheld mixer. Oh my gosh, you guys. You use it for everything. Every morning when I'm making my hot chocolate, I use it. If I'm mixing up my mashed potatoes, I use it. If I'm making my soups, I use it. Literally everything under the sun, I use it. Because you're mixing powder into liquid mostly. So this is your bestie. Make sure you get yourself one. I'll put a link up in my stories. You need this. But I'm just so grateful, and I'm so sorry it took me so long to post this, but super excited about this mixer. And I want to invite you to join in this new challenge. We have one starting on June 5th, so make sure you get your box in time. If you still need to get a box or need to get started and haven't done your health assessment, please message me. I definitely want to help you get started, and I want to go on this journey with you. I love everyone who's in Revive Tribe. Thank you guys for always being there and for just investing in each other and creating this great community that we can all be a part of. Yes, I hope I see you in the next challenge, and let's see how this goes. Have a great day, you guys.